Hi chat! Welcome to another stream. How we all doing today? It is Saturday, the 9th of April of 2022, and we are back for yet another stream. The plan for today is to continue work on deadsnakes. The build I ran right at the end of stream yesterday did not work. So we'll be figuring out what's broken with that. And while it's building, because it takes forever to build, we'll be working on pre-commit.ci. Or at least that is the plan. Who knows whether that will actually happen or not, but it's certainly what I want to get done today. But let me say hi to everyone who is here. Snipsy was here before the stream started. RKJ is first today. Congratulations on first with your fancy 2-year badge. Rollers is also here. Hello, hello. As is Snipsy. Beldothis is first with premium chat. Yes. Yes, we'll talk about that in a second once I say hi to everyone who is here. But yes, it is. Beldothis is also here, as we see. Crow's here. First, how the hell are you guys here already? So Crow, I start at the same time every stream, basically. So if you show up at 11:55 Eastern, that's right when I click the go live button. so that's how people know. Also, a little tiny tip is as soon as I press the live button, I go into Discord and start typing in the stream announce channel. So if you watch the bottom of the stream announce channel, you'll also know when I'm live, down to the like several seconds. But yeah, that's how people game first. J-Man's here, says, I hope Owen Wilson is having a great day. That actually reminds me of like a partially repressed memory. Let's see if I can find some photos of this. My ex-girlfriend and I would try and find photos of the word wow, or like places in real life and take photos of the word wow. I don't remember why. I seem to remember it's something related to Owen Wilson, but I'm not sure. Let's see if I can find one of them. I'm sure I can find at least, right? This is the right era. Oh, is this one of them? Anyway, I guess you'll just have to take my word for it, but we would try and find photos of the word wow and get more and more elaborate in like how they were presented. I think the winningest photo was a was a picture of the word mom but upside down. Anyway, Lambs, hello, hello. D-Delps, good to see you again. JJMC, hello, hello. We've also got Borang and Catherine. Good to see you again, Catherine. Kevin's also here. Good evening, fellow human beings. Okay, all right. I guess it's afternoon for me, so it's close enough to evening. Andy Monkey, hello, hello. Tofufu, how's it going? We've also got Andrew Costa. Wait, X-Nilho, I didn't know you had a founder's badge. What? Yo, that's pretty cool. Chapstick, yeah, indeed. And it's actually Chapstick branded Chapstick, which is in Haskell case, and I didn't realize. Huh, interesting. Jay Hostage, hello, hello. And Bitten the Scud, thank you both for the follow. Welcome, welcome. When do you start your new job? Tomorrow. Well, Monday. It's not Sunday yet. What am I talking about? Josh 4 Letters, welcome to the stream. I found your channel last week and I've been obsessed. Awesome. Well, welcome, welcome. Tom XOO, welcome back. Good to see you. Apologetic XOXO, good to see you as well. Wow. Yeah, exactly. Hat Nice, hello, hello. WON, oh no. Noob Noobie says, greetings, Mr. Anthony Satilli. That's unnecessarily formal, but welcome, welcome. Tips, guys, write an Airflow operator to send the post request so you're the first. That sounds like a terrible idea. Airflow is so unreliable. That would never show up on time. What's a founder's badge? So it means that you are one of the first people to subscribe to my channel ever. So you get this fancy badge that no one else can ever get. So you have the fancy first badge. You are the firstest of first. Which signifies that you were a real OG. 6 p.m. here? Ah, makes sense. You can be first at every single Twitch streamer. Maybe. Have you worked on weekends? Before, but not in a very long time. I try and separate work from personal time. 11 a.m. CDT here. Oh, you're in Central time. Interesting. Yeah, you have been here for a long time. I wonder what your follow age is. Why is it not letting me tab complete? There we go. 2 years, 10 months. Holy shit. Yeah, like actual super OG there. Is it a bad idea to work on weekends? Generally. You generally want to have a good work-life balance where you're not working for the man on your own time. I'll make sure to do a Truman from now on and say good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and good night. Alright. Sounds good, sounds good. Right. Yes, so about all this mentioned onesie, little announcement. I will announce this at the end of the stream as well. We're going to actually be doing 2 streams today. The second stream will be a collaboration at 7 Pacific, 10 Eastern. And yes, I will be wearing the onesie again. I'm going to be playing It Takes Two with Citrus. So stop by for that. It should be pretty fun. I know you stopped by for watching me write code, but maybe sometimes I can play games too. But yeah, it should be pretty fun. Finite Singularity, thank you for the raid. Welcome, raiders. How are you doing today? My music is loud today. Oh, because I changed the volume. My fault. There we go. Welcome, raiders. My name is Anthony. I primarily work on Python open source software. Some of the things that I maintain are Shiny Time, yes. Some of the things I maintain are PyTest talks, pre-commit, flake8, PyFlakes, deadsnakes, and more. And today we're working on a bit of pre-commit.ci and a bit of deadsnakes, which should be fun. And Ace, thank you for the resub at 10 months. Appreciate your continued support. Yes, I will be wearing shiny Umbreon onesie while we play It Takes Two. So stop by for that. Should be fun. But welcome, raiders. So what are we working on today? Finite Singularity. Fixer Jake's also here. Hello, hello. Have I been subbed for longer than I've followed the channel? Maybe if you've resubbed? You have 20 months of subdom. What's your follow age? You can run it on yourself. I heard today that pubs in London are extending their closing hours for the Queen's Platinum Jubilee in June. I don't know what that means. Other than more drinking, which I'm sure Brits are happy about. Anthony, not gamer, only programmer? Alright. Hey, what's up, UHF Scott? Welcome. One of the clones, Lumberjack, was learning Rust on stream today. We also worked a bit on our Chalkboom game, which is a Twitch game that involves channel point gambling. Oh, fun. You can buy subdoms in advance? Yeah, you can. You can buy subdom in advance. New Twitch feature. It's Finite Junior's birthday, so I've got to run. Have a fantastic stream. Well, thank you for the raid, and thank you for stopping by, and I'll see you around. Have a good one. Right. I think that's all of our announcements for today. Yeah. Good luck, Spoon. Thank you for the follow. Welcome. That's a great name. Zayshin, welcome back. Right. Do I have any updates since yesterday? No new open PRs. And I think the last one... oh, yeah. I did this after stream. Yeah, so we did this on stream with the comparison stuff. And... had to fix the docs build, so we did this on stream. Then I backported it. The backport was broken, so I had to fix the backport. It was just kind of a mess. But got it working in the end. And so the patch we did to PyTest yesterday is now merged. Little data classes fix here. But yeah, that's the open source update. I guess we can look at the failed deadsnakes build that we were working on yesterday. I left the failure in this file here. And so now we need to figure out why this is happening. Oh, this is the package config stuff. I think this is some of the stuff where I was like, I don't need to change this, right? This will just work. And then I was wrong. We gotta look into what this is about. Mind's Eye, hello, hello, welcome, welcome. I also applied one more Dead Snakes patch, which was changing this directory. As apparently I just had it wrong, so this fixes that location. But this is apparently in the wrong spot, so we need to figure out why it's in the wrong spot and fix it. And then for that we need to look at probably the diff between the rules files. Diff-u debian rules. Oh, I need to re-get the file too. So we did this in the temporary directory. Jammy Python 3.10 Ubuntu. Probably that thing down there. You get UX this. I went for a run yesterday, which was nice. It was kind of chilly out, but I think I did about 4 miles. I don't actually know because I didn't run with my watch. I just was like, it's warm enough outside. I guess I'll go for a run. My arm still hurts, which is weird. It feels better today at least. All right, diff-u debian rules temp y. This debian rules. All right, get diff no index. So red is our side. So I've disabled LTI. I don't know why. Don't know why this isn't working. I feel like it should work. Out of context clip time? Oh shit, what did I say this time? 4 miles, no big deal. I'm over here huffing and puffing after a mile. Yeah, well, I ran a marathon before pandemic, so I feel like I can get back to a good shape. 4 miles was like right about where I was like, you know, I'm kind of tired. Yeah, we got rid of the docs. We are using the minimal profile build. So we don't need their special thing. Best runs are not tracked. They're just when you run out of the house and keep going. Yeah, kind of. I'm pretty sure, well, I always run the same route, so I'm pretty sure I know exactly the amount of distance it was, but yeah. Their freaking minds want to dirtify my arm is still hurting. Man. If you're hurting yourself from jerking it that much, like you probably have bigger problems. Okay. So that's the docs build. So it's probably not one of these things. I had to guess. Hey, what's up, Mr. Singh? Hello, hello. Let's see. I don't think it's this bit here. This is the like M bit, which is not supposed to be a thing. Yeah, like it moves this to the wrong. Wait, where's the M's? Yeah, it moves it to the wrong things. Or I think this does nothing. I think this is a no op. But did I say it's big enough outside? Oh, I meant warm enough. Did I really say that? Warzerk, hello, hello, welcome, welcome. Kadoo, welcome to the stream. First time I decided not to do out of context clips, and Anthony dropped 2 possibilities in 4 minutes. Oh no. Rolandes WB says, have you tried using the background removal on Linux for OBS? Well, a bit of a spoiler. I'm not running Linux, so yeah. Well, I am running Linux, but I'm not running OBS in Linux, so no, I guess. Yeah. That's all the same. This is GDBM and TK stuff, which we want. That's not different. This is more GDBM and TK stuff. Still the same. Although I feel like this is going to be wrong. Unless this includes the multi-arch stuff for me. Okay, we get rid of the docs. That's fine. Okay, this is where I think the package config stuff. No, this is GDB. Yeah, what the fuck? None of those seem different. Ah, it must be the patches then. Oh, this is gonna suck. How's life with the smaller company so far? I haven't started yet. Hey, what's up, Alexis Fraga? Hello, hello. Welcome, welcome. I start on Monday. Sunpause, how you doing? Oh, this sucks then. So this is going into the wrong directory, it looks like. Let's see, grab PC, grab -r PC, this debian patches. Oh, this seems relevant. This seems relevant. Fisty, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Am I nervous? For what? For stream later today? Yes. For work? No. He's running Linux on Windows on Mac OS that in turn runs on Mac OS that runs on Windows and runs on Linux. Yeah, if I could nest that well and still have this performance, that would be great. Mind's Eye says, I love Sentry, use it at work. It catches and auto-generates my Jira bug tickets. Nice. Nice, nice. Okay, why does this not? Why do we not have this patch? Multi-arch. We have this part of it. We have this part of it too, but in a different order. But we don't have the third part? Oh, we do have this part. We also have this part, which looks different. Maybe I'm not supposed to have this part? Because this one doesn't have that part. Oh, I don't know. I think I'm supposed to discard this part, because this part's different over here. But that at least gives me something to do. BBBPQ. Multi-arch. This one. Git rebase -i this. We want to edit that. And this is supposed to not be that way. Apparently. Let me make sure it's just not in some other patch. Okay. Okay, what changed here? We should have a diff that gets rid of that chunk. Yeah. Okay. That seems maybe better. Kevin, you okay? Alfred took the keyboard momentarily? Hey, what's up, Crampiel? Hello, hello. Welcome, welcome. Okay, I think this is gonna work. It still doesn't explain why the package config or the LTO isn't working. But Who knows? Now we build and wait. Actually, we can do a prediction. uh, oh, you're gonna have a will the build succeed. There we go. Y'all can bet. We'll start the build and run it in the background. That way you can't see. Okay, and while that's running, we will work on pre-commit.ci. I think the one that I wanted to work on first is this one, which is just a small optimization, but it should make a pretty big difference. Well, it'll make a big difference when pre-commit.ci is under load, like during auto update. But other than that, I don't know that it's actually gonna make a big difference. And I should really finish the GitLab stuff, but it seems like too much work for today. What is our prediction looking like? Does it not let me see it? I want to see the stats. There we go. Oh, it's pretty close. JJMC put in 8666 babbies. Oh, some confidence there. Andy Monkey put in 3892 for no. Oh, it's almost 50-50. Well, that'll be a fun one. Hey, what's up, outdated version? Hello, hello. Oh, you're not allowed to bet Grambion? Bummer. Bummer. Okay. Open up you. Let's work in the left tab so that people can see stuff. And I think this is where we're going. Oh, yeah, I already made a branch for it. Right, we were going to start working on this yesterday. Oh, I forgot to auth my password manager. Damn it. All right. It was good to look at my face muted for a sec. Well, maybe we'll unmute for 1 sec. Buffet Codes! Thank you for the raid. Welcome, raiders. Let me give you a shout out so that my viewers can check out your channel as well. My name is Anthony. I work on Python open source stuff. Some of the things that I maintain are PyTest, Talks, Precommit, Flagate, and others. And today we're working on pre-commit.ci and deadsnakes, both of them. And I'm about to type in my password manager, so that's why we're looking at my face. And I'm going to mute. But welcome to the stream. How's your stream? What were you working on? Let's see. Aniket and 1M, thank you both for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Let's see. J-Man's here. Hello, hello. Sorry, only 5 years? No, it's fine. Any raid's cool. Any raid's cool. Somu-san, hello, hello. Welcome, welcome. Snake Sauce, how you doing? I can see his fingers moving in the reflection of his pupils. Yeah, if only, right? That'd be pretty messed up. Warren Buffett codes? I think is it Buffet or is it Buffett? Like, they haven't told me yet. I don't know. Mostly PyTorch code. Nice, nice, cool. Dog, cat, classifier, and C++ PyTorch. Oh, fun. Okay, I'm gonna mute for a sec. Don't mind me. I typed it wrong the first time. Whoops. Okay, we're here. We're good. Voice activated get credentials? No, here's a video about why you should mute when you type passwords on stream. Because otherwise, it's surprisingly easy to steal passwords, especially given the amount of training data. Alright. Log into this account because we need to reproduce this problem. I'm going to shut down the dev instance of this so we can run it locally. Why not use Windows Hello or other some type of biometric authentication? Because they're so easy to cheese. Like, it's like real easy for you to do face recognition bypass. And I don't have any thumbprint scanners, and I don't know, sometimes I don't want to use a thumbprint scanner. It seems annoying. And you know, often I'm on devices that don't have those sorts of things. System CTL stop pre-commit CI worker. Status. Okay, it is dead. Good. We've installed a keylogger on your machine. Yeah, good luck. Good luck, buddy. If you had a keylogger on my machine, you'd have access to more stuff than you would need to. You wouldn't need my passwords at that point. Okay, turn off the auto-scaling stuff because we're going to run it locally. Oh, and then I want to make 2 commits to a pull request. This is not the right repo. Hastily 2 demo. Okay, so we're going to make 1 commit to a pull request, and then we're going to make another commit to the pull request. And the end state is I want it to not run twice. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. I meant to make a pull request. Okay, so 1 commit to the pull request, that will trigger 1 run. We're actually gonna get 3 runs here. We're gonna get 1 run there. See how it's pinning and queued? That's fine. And then we'll get another run by doing this. And the optimization that I want, and the bug, the bug right now is it actually checks out the final version for both of the runs, which it shouldn't do. But I want this run to get canceled and this run to succeed. But right now, if we do it, pre-commit.ci env equals AWS profile equals prod dev. I don't want to run prod. Yeah. Oh, I wonder if... Okay, yeah, no, we're good. So it's actually going to do 3 runs here, and they're all going to succeed. Wait, why did this not run anything? Where's the output? Oh, maybe I got rid of the output. Yeah, I got rid of the output. Okay, it makes sense. Camera and some hot glue defeats fingerprint scanners too. Yeah, exactly. Exactly. How you doing, Crypto Monad? Welcome back. My work made it a requirement to use biometric creds. That's funny, because a lot of times they're lower security. Still better than Hunter 2? Yeah. Are you afraid of burglars that have a mask that is an exact replica of your face? They don't need that. They can just take a photo. And there's infinite there's infinite photos of my face. It'd be really easy to reconstruct. Hey, what's up, Tech with Isaac? Hello, hello. Welcome, welcome. I'm doing well. How are you? Okay, yeah. So if we look at this, no, not there. Look at this. It ran this here, and if we look at the merge commit here, it's actually wrong. So we got 788A4, and if we look at this one, it's also 788A4. Yeah. So this run here ran against the wrong version. Is the problem. So we need to make the runner short circuit this one, so that it doesn't do that. Windows Hello only works with webcams that have depth sensors. Yeah, but you can easily reconstruct my face with depth. There's so much photo evidence that would be really easy. Which Linux distro is this? Fuck, why didn't the bot detect that? Oh. I see. Yeah, because it's in the other forum. Oh well, but now you know. Wouldn't somebody planting a hidden camera in one of your plushies be just as easy to get your password? No? They had, like, constructing a mask of my face is, like, trivial, given all of the data that I've provided on the public internet. but physical entry is much more difficult. Like if you know, for instance, my Microsoft account was guarded by face mask, anyone could generate a mask of my face anywhere in the world and use it. Jokes on you, I've been noodle this whole time. How you doing, Steve Bandito? Okay, so I think for this, I'm gonna finally make a runner steps. And we're gonna make this file. Who doesn't want an Anthonk mask? A little creepy, guys. just a little bit. Oh. What else do we need? Eurolib.error. Any. Where do you come from? From runner dot alarm, import alarm. Yeah, I think you will move. Step error. Time. Oops. It's gonna be ordered. Nice. Okay. So what? From runner.steps import mergeable. And then just be this, right? What are you doing, step error? Stan, welcome. Hey, what's up, Qualsy? Hello. Does the chest hair come with it? Oh no. Yeah, chat, you're being weird today. Like, I just have a robot fly with a micro camera to see you type your password. Yeah, They would have to find my address first. Chat, when we get his face remade? Oh no. Oh no. Yeah, imagine I dox my face and okay, this can go away. And this, we're gonna be moving those. Like that. Oh, I spelled mergeable wrong. Wait, how do you spell mergeable? Is it with E-A-B-L-E? Or is it like this? I know parsable is spelled weirdly. Okay, we're gonna go with that. Roladrians, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Sorry if I mispronounced your name. Someone went as far to reconstruct my face, I would be more worried about them making a sex doll with it than breaking into my home and unlocking my Windows PC. Well, they wouldn't have to break into my home. That's the thing. Like, they would be able to remote connect. And then they would have access to my password manager. Like, that was the whole point, was replacing a password with a biometrics password manager. Ormus is here. Hello, hello. But no stream sound. Okay. Okay, alright. Did I misspell it at the top? Like... oh, this is my bad complaining. Yes. Sense. Okay, we're gonna need to pass more into this, which is fine. So we should just be complaining about... oh. About this. Okay, and I need to move the tests. I feel like there's got to be a way to do this nicer. Hmm. 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 Yeah, maybe not. Use the American spelling, which is the least amount of characters required to recognize the word because ads are priced by character count. Oh no. Pots and pans convention? What? What? Just imagine anything getting plastic surgery? No, that's not happening. No reason for that. There's no reason for that. Okay, so we've moved this over. Test should be failing because we moved this stuff. Yeah. Mergeable test. From what? Use import, yeah, that's fine. And we need to find the not the access token one. This one, get pull request. One, two, three. Four. Five. Right? Oh boy. And then we should remove 5 tests here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this will be the first commit where we just reorganize stuff. This is actually not where that comes from. Surprised my iPad doesn't complain about that. IO email.message. mergeable. PyTest is not defined. Okay. Why is one of those slow? Oh, because sleep. There's a sleep in there. It's still slow. What? Why? Weird. Oh. Duh. Let's fix it. Sick, let's go. Okay. All right. Oh boy, now I'm behind in chat. Yeah, gaming PC. There you go. I want a Steam Deck. I've heard they're like not that hype, but I don't know. Awesome Dot. Hello, welcome back. Oh, Elfenrod, you also found it. Nice. My test run way slower than this? Well, get on that. Time to fix it. I wonder what my next slowest test is. Probably the ones that run subprocesses. Or git clone. Yeah, those kind of make sense. Those kind of make sense. Why do I have render mer? What are you? Move mergeable step to separate module. Oh shit. Need to not comment this out. Okay, now I can do that commit. Need to binge on your PyTest videos? I actually don't have that many of them, but there's a few PyTest videos out there. The very first video is about PyTest, in fact. Parameterize. Where are you, cache? Okay, there's maybe more than I remembered. There's a few, I guess. Building. Okay, so now that we've reorganized things, we need to actually implement the feature. Do I have anything with mocking? I haven't done anything about unmocking yet. It's a complicated topic and a little controversial, and there's so much to talk about there. There are, I think, a few videos which do mocking, but don't really describe it. Yeah. 94, 98, and 109 all do some mocking, as does 317, it looks like. The 94 is a PyTest one. 98, guess, is kind of related. 109, and they should all be tests. Yeah. And then 317. Yeah, okay. Those all make sense. Hey, what's up, Sticks? Hello, hello. What are we working on right now? I am working on pre-commit.ci. Oh, this is actually a good idea. This pattern doesn't quite match that. I would want to add one for like, what are you working on, to make it run bang today, but doesn't quite fit. That's a little too much work. Stiggs, hello, hello. And Whisper, and the Joker, welcome, welcome. I ran a few tools recently that mostly just call subprocess.run. I'm struggling to work out how to test them. Any advice? What sort of subprocesses are you running? You kind of have two options. One is to simulate a real environment and have the subprocesses do their thing. The other is to record particular outputs of subprocesses and mock them. eSQL and the 1Password command line. Yeah, you probably want to mock them at that point. Work from the office is so bad I'm missing so many streams. Just put the stream on at work. Easy. What's that on your second monitor? Oh, I'm just learning programming. See, look, terminal code. Oh yeah, I have the TDD video too. Yeah, I forgot about that one. Yeah, I really like that video. I feel like I did a good job on it. Okay, so we need to pass along more information from the pull request. Pull request. We should have a head in here somewhere. Yeah. And we're probably looking at this commit compared with our, so we can just run the API, right? Well, it's kind of a pain in the ass to do. Let's turn off the auto scaling. Actually, why do these exist? Oh, because they will try AWS. Okay, turn those off. And I want to breakpoint. I want to breakpoint here. I might also turn this into like a while true. That might be easier to read, and I can factor the logic better. Yeah. Because this right now is not great, I think. Kevin says, I have a dilemma. My current client project is fun, engaging in a cool space. However, the customer has been somewhat of a hassle to deal with. Oh, no. I still paid well, but it's a recurring discussion. I got an offer for a different contract opportunity that pays better, but the work will be not as fun. Yeah, that's kind of tricky. I don't know. I've never done contracting, so I don't have any. I don't have any good advice there. This is a hack. I don't like this. But there's a nice test for it. I don't know. Let's breakpoint. Let's see what this does. And then we'll be able to do stuff. Yeah. Hey, what's up, Snipe Bunny? Hello, hello. It's really annoying that they keep renegotiating the rate with you. Yeah, that seems kind of shit. Daydreamed. Hello, hello. Welcome, welcome. All right. Let's see. Open pr-resp.json, right? Right. Oh, we can do json.dump. Resp to this. Indent equals 2. Yes, there we go. So 599 FE2. Data. Ooh, gotta be careful here. Timed out. Shit. Well, that sucks. Should rerun again though. Right? Maybe? Fuck, I don't know. What happened here? Hey, Stilly 2 has committed since you started editing. Well, that's weird. Never seen that before. Oh, this is just gonna say timed out while waiting for the merge? Yeah. It's gonna work? Oh yeah, that is the status commit. Cool. Alright, we'll let that run. If you get in writing that says no more negotiations for 12 months, that would be ideal. Yeah, true. Lauren X, welcome, welcome. Tell them with the current economics that they should be increasing your rate, not decreasing it. Yeah. Yeah. JM Maya, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Okay, so we know status commit. That's good. And we can compare it against head. So we do need to refactor things a little bit so that this works out better. Yeah, I think we're just gonna do a refactor, but we do know that we can use headshot and status commit to do that short circuiting, so that's good to know. But let's refactor this to be better, I think. While true, this if resp, well, let's see. If resp merged, let's do this. If resp mergeable, is not none, then we break. I think this is equivalent code. But will be slightly easier to Manage? Actually, before we change stuff, let's write tests. How does this even work? Oh, because it will break out when it's none. Okay, I understand. That's not what I wanted. So 44 to 50 is uncovered. Yeah, that makes sense. Yeah, makes sense. Makes sense. Okay. How is it ever possibly hitting this? I think this is impossible. Yeah, I'm certain that this is impossible. So this is dead code, right? Because this will raise an exception. This will loop forever. This is impossible. Cool, that's how we write tests, I guess. For merge conflict. Fake recipe block. Hey. How am I doing this? We'll just do this. Cool. Manga HTTP. I wrote it myself. This is it. Literally just a wrapper around URL open that tries to find responses, pre-cooked responses based on the URL. And if there are exceptions, it raises them. I invented it. It's not really something that I would make a video about. But no, it does the minimum amount to make things work. Config, thank you for the follow. Welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Sounds interesting though. Yeah. People write entire libraries to do this. But I don't know, it's like 15 lines. Yeah, no, you're good, Kevin. Okay. We need to test the actual. Why is this an assert? Should really assert mergeable is true. Steps, mergeable. Just wait for a mergeable. Started running JavaScript for a second. What am I doing? Merge commit SHA. Some dead beef in there. DOMS resp json.encode. ToastDXV, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. For the first draft of the lecture tomorrow, parsing tokens. Oh, fun. I like sneaking in http.cat when I need mock responses. Yeah. The problem is, like, actually hitting http.cat's not a good idea. We're gonna do 2 dead bees rather than 3 because I don't feel like typing out 3 of them. Okay, so that should cover everything. Assuming I import JSON. Okay, so that covers everything. It doesn't really show the behavior though in the retry. Test retries until when unknown mergeable. I check that they all got executed. Yes, I don't, because this just returns the function directly. If I keep track of this, I could check that they all got exhausted. Well, that seems like testing too much implementation detail. Ah, shit. Yeah, so that should test the actual loop. ERs are they merged. Did I set merge to true on accident? Uh-oh. This should also say merged false up here. Ah, but then the line's too long. uh. That line's gonna be too long. Fine. Oh wait, what? Oh, I don't have my auto pip 8 settings, so it does this ugly thing. Hmm. whatever. Okay, so that covers everything. Why did it take 0.13 seconds? That seems kind of slow. For unknown reasons. Huh. Why would it not be a good idea to get HTTP cat? Because it's an external service that you don't control, and someone else could be, you know, someone else. One, it could go down, but it's just like kind of bad form to randomly hit someone's website, and it's gonna be slow. And you also don't want to send real data like secrets to it. Yeah, good call, Chris. Kevin. Not use black? No. Nope. Never. Well, I use it on Flake 8, but that wasn't my choice. Okay, what all did we do here? We really just added more tests. Add more tests for mergeable step. Okay, and so now, you done yet? No. Now I want to refactor it and make sure the tests still pass by doing this. It's a little bit simpler, but we get this now. Probably because this should be false. Just make sure that that test change didn't break things first, and then it doesn't break things now. Okay, so that's a slight refactor. Alcatraz says, could you explain for us beginners why is instance used so often in public repos? I've only done my own projects and didn't need it all. What is the purpose to check the instance? So is instance is a hacky type check. In an ideal world, you wouldn't need it at all. But, you know, some repositories need to pull in untrusted data or unknown data or provide APIs or do type checking or that sort of stuff at runtime. And so that's what it's used for checking whether something is a type. But ideally, you don't need it. Like, I'm really only using it in a few places here. Yeah, this is for, again, this is untrusted data, so it might come from the, like from the user, might come from not the user. Is it better to do type foo is X? No. No. That is not better. Because it doesn't handle inheritance properly. So it's slower, I think. Well, it might not be slower. It might be about the same speed. I guess it depends on the MRU depth. MRO depth. But no, you should use his instance instead of type checking. Type is checking. Unless you are specifically checking for the exact type. And in that case, then yeah, that's what you would need to write. Okay. Slight refactor of mergeable. Check. Okay, so now we need to pass in the commit, the actual commit. And actually, steps. And actually, these two tests are implementation detail. Wait, all three of these are implementation detail. This one I kind of want to refactor into testing this function. That way we're only looking at behaviors. We're not actually looking at specific implementation details, because I want to get rid of this function. Yeah, so let's actually change this. Okay, so it still passes. Thoughts on poetry? I don't think it's necessary. I feel like it's a lot of work. Is multi-cursors possible in Vim? Yes. It's not true cursors, but you can render them that way. It's kind of tricky to do, but yeah, it's possible. I don't know if Vim implements it, but it's possible. Anatano Kami, thank you for the follow. Welcome. But yeah, I get by with, requirements files, virtualenv, and I don't really need special management tools. But I find that poetry slows down my development and has some opinions that are just wrong, related to upper bounds on versions and compatibility. Random question for chat: has anyone tried to install Visual Studio Code plugins programmatically? Yes. Stripe did this. It was also a pain in the ass. There's like a thing that you can stick into a directory in some places and it kind of works. Yeah, visual block mode kind of simulates that slightly seasoned, but it's not exactly the same. It's a little bit different. Okay. And then I think these tests aren't actually validating anything. Like if I remove them and then do this, yeah. Because we have a 404 test down here as well. Reactor mergeable test to only test behavior. Curious Life, yes. Yes, the bot. Look at how smart the bot is. Welcome to the stream. Remember what it's called? The Visual Studio? There's just like a directory you plop things into. I don't remember what it's called. Okay, so now, oh shit! Believers win. Well, let me see if it works. Oh, there's a whole bunch of stuff in here. Why is there the 311 stuff? That error is fine, that's normal. Like it's working. Creation warning. Expected. Okay. That seems to have worked. Alright, that's our prediction, chat. So the question is now, how do I get LTO to work? This is enabled on all those. And we do this. I guess I could look at Python 3.9 focal. Look at this package. Maybe I should have started with this package. But this is going to fail, or at least it failed last time. How did the prediction happen here? Who got the most points? Indie Monkey got the most points. Oh wait, no, sorry, I said it wrong. JJMC got the most points. Who bet 8666. Glad it wasn't money. Yeah. Fortunately, it's just channel points. Fortunately, it is just channel points. Got him. Welcome to the stream, Speed Son. Join the Dick Sword if you want. With fat LTO. Yeah, like, I wonder what's different here. The sword is mightier. Well, this seems like it's working now. Although I don't think this has the. Oh no, it does. There's the LTO flags. I don't know why it's working. We'll let it continue to run though. So I suspect it's not actually going to work. Any videos on how to scaffold a new project that you plan to post on PyPI? This is probably the closest. Or the second video on that second one, my project's edit. The bot should respond with this when somebody types dick sword. That would get annoying real quick. Colton says, did you ever figure out your theme switcher? Yes. If you donate a number of channel points, you can change my theme. It works. We've had a whole bunch of wild themes though. How did we do this before? Shuff head 1 xargs replace ln-s this. Uh, uh, Oh, I should have made it shorter. Oh, we need -sf. There you go. Theme changer. And these are all ones that chat has donated at points. Should save this in a script. There we go. Now we can do this. Anyway, yeah, we got theme stitching working. Joyfoon, hello, welcome. Okay, we need to pass in the commit. And we need to adjust how this works. It's right here. Resp equals this. Oh, we want this sleep though. Well, that's true. Hello. Beardy is also welcome. Also back. Welcome. I was reading your message and talking at the same time. Brain fuck. Are you actually making a profit on pre-commit.ci? Barely. It's a trickle. Let's see if I check up on it. Good place. Let's see high. Insights. Ooh, 1 new paid subscription last week. Cool. Actions. Fast. I have 20. Well, if you don't include me, because I'm also paying for it, I have 21 customers at the moment. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of those are users. The rest are organizations. So that would be revenue is like 300-ish a month currently. We're on there. Yum, roasted potatoes with cheese and sour cream. Yeah, that sounds fucking good. That sounds good. ABCD, welcome. What editor is this? And the bot gotcha. The bot fucking knows. Even when you scream in all caps. Any reason why you wouldn't use webhooks in this situation? What do you mean, Colton? It is using a webhook, but what do you mean? You mean instead of polling here? Because this is literally what GitHub tells you to do. Oh shit. I lost the URL. Let me make sure this passes, and then we'll rebase. Yeah, it's literally what GitHub tells you to do, because there is no webhook for this. Let's get rid of this. Trying to do too many things at once. The wrong command. Runner steps is covered. Okay, cool. Again. Combine functionality of oh, you know what I could do instead? Do this. Yeah. Right, else. Then I don't need this anymore. Okay, anyway. Combine 404 logic into wait for merge. So the crazy thing is I probably don't even need this logic at all. This might have just been a bug in GitHub that is no longer a thing. But I don't actually know. Oh, you have the full link? I was gonna do a rebase anyway. Guess I need to put it into this history properly. I was just gonna copy it out of here. Potato Mo, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. What are you, Patch? You. Edit that one. And fix the link. Shit. Okay, well, I will copy it out of yours because that's the commit I just rebased on. Wait, this is different. This is a different URL. That's fine. I'm sure it's the correct one. The face when you open an app after a while looks different. Still no dark mode in 2022. Oh, it redirected? Oh, I see. Yeah, that makes sense. That makes sense. Okay, so this failed here. But why? Everything failed to build. Literally everything failed to build. Pre-commit.ci. That's PGO. I wonder if it's my PGO patch. Could be it. Let's see. diff-u debian rules. Let's try the one that's at least the right Should have done a channel point bet on that, but we knew it was gonna fail, so that's why we didn't do that. I don't know where your old link was, but I don't think the header exists on that page. I see. Hey, what's up, Opti? Welcome back. This looks so wrong. Oh no, what am I doing that looks wrong? Oh. Yeah, that looks pretty weird. Why is there that weird green? What is this? Huh. Anyway. Needs a designer. Okay, so they don't have any of this at all. Or this. Or this. Or the no pie build. Oh, this is different though. But maybe that's supposed to be different. Yeah, because they don't have the pie build. They also don't have this enable optimizations. I wonder if that's the difference. They have docs. Weird. It's very weird. So it must be the profile task somehow. That's my only guess. Hmm. Okay. I think there's a dash PGO option here. That build. Jumping around to a bunch of stuff right now. Program interrupted. Not what I expected. To go special from the local Mexican establishment is giant bottles of margaritas. Oh, the to-go special. That's funny. Okay. Right. So while this is building, God, I'm jumping all over the place. I'm down like 3 different ADHD rabbit holes right now. Ah. Okay, let's move on our behavior. So first we want to add commit to this. And we want to make sure MyPy passes for all of that. here we need to pass in commit equals data. What? Status commit, I think. Yeah. That should be happy now. Yeah, except for that, that's fine. Dead beef. Yeah. I could have used my other favorite one, bad food, but we're gonna use dead beef. Um, there's also there's a whole bunch of them. Anyway, so this test is actually going to fail. That's fine, because we need to adjust the fake response to look more like a real response. Okay, so my should be happy now, and this should be happy now as well. Badass. Yeah, I know an unhealthy amount of slightly horny hex codes. Oh no. I guess, yeah, you can do boobs. Yeah, that's another one. I didn't think about that. Update to Python 3.10. Oh, this is the Mac. You're on Mac OS? No, you are using a local install. Uh, uh, Wait, you already opened this. Uh, Yeah, because our friend Jericho fucked shit up again. uh, yeah, to show you what I'm talking about. So distutils got a weird reorganization in 3.10, which breaks it in a bunch of unfortunate ways. When you make a virtual env, you end up with these really fucking weird directory structures. VM local bin. This is right though. No, it's empty. Yeah, everything is just like super messed up. Well, that means I'm gonna not be able to upgrade to Jammy. Oh, that's really shitty. Deadsnakes has like a one-line patch for this that fixes it, but Debian has not applied it, which is in this line right here. We can see because it's off screen, but this is the fix. At least the workaround. I suspect that virtualenv is going to have to put in a hack though. Unfortunate. Fuck. Iron Python 2.7. Jesus, you are down such a rabbit hole, Mr. Nightblood. .14.0 bundles broken setup tool. Oh. Surprised nobody has complained about this here. 69 open issues, nice, yeah. Yeah, shit's kinda fucked. I wonder if there's a bug for this here. These backport 310 to focal? Yeah, it's not gonna happen. Yeah, this is the problem. Who fucking knows what's gonna happen? I have broke installing older versions recently. Yeah, I'll pipe this dumpster fire. Katabu says, it's funny how all the world the funniest number is 69, and then my country goes with 2137. What does that mean? Pronto Shara, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. What was I doing before? I was building this. Why was I building this? to look for the option here. Do I have enough dashes in there? Apparently too many. How do I have dash capital R? There we go. Aish Canaro, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Add default PGO test if no tests are specified. Okay, that's what we want there. Okay, so in theory, if we remove enable optimizations and we add profile task, then this will work. Captain Kinky Ninja Official. Welcome, welcome. Interesting name. And Doctor says thoughts on poetry. This is like the third time this stream that I've talked about poetry. I don't like it. It has incorrect opinions about versioning. It adds slowness to most workflows for no good reason. I'm okay with requirements files and virtualenv. Static Bug Void Main, hello, hello. Choco, how's it going? Good to see you again. You're talking about literal poems? No. Literal poetry I'm okay with. I even write some of my own crappy poetry. Shall I read you a poem of mine? Do you want to hear a sad short poem? Let's see if I can find one. See if I can find one that I can read for chat. Well, maybe not these. Matime Lonio, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Give us poem. This one's kind of hard for me to read, but we're gonna read it anyway. Not be in that account. I need to organize my Google Drive. My shit's all over the place. The fun. Right? Really. Here's not my puppy being terrified of a feather. She hated that feather. Oh, but it is. Oh, where the fuck is it? I think it's in a file named untitled, which makes this even harder to find because I have like 50 files named untitled. Oh, I found it. Okay. Oh. Please don't take the Heartbreaker poem again. Yeah, that's the one we're reading. That's the one we're reading, Kevin. So you might want to mute if it's too hard for you. This zoom's weird. I'm not going to explain any part of it. You're just going to have to understand. Oh, imagine if it was attached to a whole bird. No, see, Tofa would run after a bird. Tofa wouldn't run away from a bird. Hey, what's up, harmless passerby? All right. -R-D. Learn, push, forget. Missed train, found soul, convenient inconvenience, a missed soul. Distant walk, shrinking room, overwhelming fatigue, puzzle piece. A stroll down Fourth, squishy sidewalk, paved over with concrete, unforgiving. 1, 2, a deep breath. 3, 4, 5. A jump for one more. A sudden outpour, a sudden downpour. No umbrella can keep me dry. A solemn parade, fade to black, a streak of red, and there's a place. A deconstructed construct, a barren drawer, empty shelves, gone. Ultimate egg, wiggling, cracking, hatching. A flash of color, blue, but it's all too late. Insertion of key, thrust of deadbolt, fleeting hope crushed. Neighbor's home. Shitty poetry, scattered words, nothing rhymes without you. And there's my sad poem. What the fuck is this? I came for programming, unfollowed? Yeah, right? But anyway, there's one of my poems. Okay, let's try and fix the code. I don't fully understand it, but it sounded pretty. Yeah, it's not really for anyone else to understand. Wow, it's for like me and one person to understand. But that's just life. Let's see if I can find a happier one. Let's see if I can find a shorter and happier one. They're all pretty sad though. Can't tell you that one. I was actually reading through some of my old poetry and I found a word that I didn't understand that I had used in a poem that apparently I knew at the time. This was a risky Google search. This. Unfortunately, a lot of them. I tried to do one a day for like a year. Oh yeah, this one's pretty good. It's very short. It's 4 lines. Shuffle past 1,000 faces, disheveled indifference, one smiles. See, that one's less sad. I'm sure there's a terminal app to fetch a random bit of poetry. Yeah. Sorry that was weirdly put. It's a well-written poem, but the meaning of it is heartbreaking. Yeah, it is. Yeah, it is. It is. Sounds like a haiku. It's not a haiku. It's actually risky. Probably now getting banned for having another word for saying that you want to British bonk someone. Yeah. to British bonk someone. Okay. Let's see. I think this is breaking it. But then we need to figure out where the profile task thing is supposed to go. So we need to find all the places where there's profile task. We need to set it first off. Above the build static. But we're not going to set it to the same thing as what they set it to. Right? Stamp/stamp build static. Okay, so it's supposed to be right here. We are going to set it to -- PGO. then we got to find all the places where it's supposed to go. How about a new Twitch channel? Anthony writes poems. It would just be like, go live for 5 minutes, say a poem, and then stop, right? Hey, what's up, Music Gusto? Hello, hello. I'm not Googling that, Kevin. I know what that means. Still, speaking of British ball games, still reeling about yesterday's discovery about trespassers. Oh my god. For those of you that weren't here, for those of you that weren't here, this word, which I pronounce trespass, is apparently pronounced trespass in American or British, but trespass is also allowed. But the fucked up thing is if you make it plural, the British pronunciation has a trespasses. Which is the one that doesn't have? Yeah, the American pronunciation just drops the P. Like what? And if you make it trespassers, which neither of the pronunciations are the ones that I say, trespassers, that brings the P back. What? None of this shit makes sense. I've always said trespass? Yeah, same. This is what we learned yesterday. Anybody says I posted 2 messages that were moderated. Oh, I don't even see them. You were probably using a filtered word. Hey, what's up, Vala? Hello, hello. You have made it. How you doing? 1:57 a.m. It's a little late. I wonder if the American plural is an error. Well, the other thing is we looked at several dictionaries, and the pronunciation keys also, like, neither of them said trespasses or trespassers. They were always tresses or trespasses, which is just, yeah, like this drops the R also. I don't know. This word's fucking weird. Is what we determined yesterday. Chaz, hello, hello, welcome, welcome. Is Java a filtered word here? No. There's a few things that I don't want to talk about that are filtered. No index. Debian rules. Temp Y. Okay, so we need to find all the places where profile task is supposed to be put in place. Here in build static, we need it in 355 here. If we need it in run profile task, need it anywhere else? No. Okay, so that will maybe make LTO work. I like how I went to type PGO and instinctively typed POG. All right, I guess we can do a prediction on this, right? Prediction. Will the build succeed? I know what I would bet on this. Give this one a try. I'm not gonna click on it. What's the YouTube video? I don't think I can just watch random YouTube videos. Was this one of the pronunciation videos? What? I'm not gonna try and pronounce that. We're good. The made-up city name? Oh, I see. Fast Pog, yeah. What are we betting today? Nano diff win? Babby diff win? What do you mean? Oh, like versus like Vim diff? I've actually been thinking about how to write one myself because I want a 3-way diff for overwriting a file that got changed in a different way, because I haven't seen an editor do this nicely. Basically give you a merge conflict when you fuck up saving. Gabriel Santos, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. It's a real city? Yeah, but the name's made up. I mean, when you think about it, all city names are made up, so I guess that doesn't really mean anything. Alright, let's see what this does. Alright, we'll run in the background though. What did I change here? We added status commit in, but we didn't do anything with it yet. Okay, cool. So we can start. I'm doing two things at once. I want a three-way don't wheel. God damn it, Chris. Listening to the pronunciation on Wikipedia makes my brain restart. Wait. Oh, of that city? Oh, I see. Yeah. Pronex, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Okay. So we want a new test here. Test new commit made to branch. Not merged. Mergeable doesn't matter. Doesn't have a merge commit SHA. And we have head SHA. That's what we want to change. Head SHA. I don't know. Bad food. Sure. And then we need to set up all of this. And this should raise a step error. On Nightly, hello, welcome back. I had a friend who for some reason decided to swap partners with his close friend and his girlfriend over a dinner party. It ruined their relationship. Yeah, that sounds like something that would ruin a relationship. That's Yep, that would that would do it. Pierre received newer commits. Seaplane, hello. This ad is Taro. I don't control the ads, sorry. You subscribe, they go away. Let's just say one guy didn't enjoy it as much as the rest of them. Yeah, that would probably happen. JSON decode error. What? What? But how? But why? Hey Shalko, thank you for the follow. Welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Oh, I bet this is not encoding nicely. This is like one of those things that changed, right? In JSON? No, that looks fine. What? Why is it the empty string? Oh, because it's mergeable none. Right. So we'll set it to mergeable true and set a merge commit. It's gonna do the wrong thing, but our test will be better for it. Merge commit SHA dead beef. Dead beeg. There we go. Though I think I only did 2 below, so we'll make it match here. Okay, so now this test should fail, does not raise. Perfect, there we go. I don't understand why people play with fire like that. I don't know. Hey, what's up, Summersoft? Hello. Did I say hi to the Devil Kid? If not, hello, hello. I forgot to mark my position in chat. Just write your own, but never tell anyone how to parse it properly. Yeah. Yeah. Runner steps, mergeable. Okay. So we first want to say if rasp head SHA does not equal commit, here received new commits. And that should cause that test to pass, but others to fail. Yeah. So now we gotta fix these other tests. Wait for merge conflict. Merge conflict. Yeah. Merge false, mergeable false, headshot and beef. Maybe I should make a fake JSON response. Yeah, I like that. Fake JSON response. Merge true. Mergeable none. Oh, it's rasp. Damn. It's definitely the ticket updates to-do list. Yeah. Yeah. Hmm. Indeed, that is a syntax error. JSON imported. Which probably means we need it over here. Cool. We will still have several tests failing because we didn't fill out all this stuff. Wait for mergeable. Yeah, head. Shaw. Dead beef. And then retries. Headshot dead beef. And we also need that here. Okay, that implements our new feature. on their steps. Mergeable. Cool. So that's our new feature. Let's make sure it works though. Oh, by restarting this. Oh, this failed. Failed in the same way. Damn. Ugh. Where if I have to see that damn Grammarly ad of that guy having his essay, having written his essay one more time, I'm gonna lose it. I actually don't know what ad you're talking about at all. I don't think I've ever seen that ad. Well, that's our prediction. Sorry for everyone who voted yes. Who voted the most? DDLs put in the most. Snipsy put in 666 for no. Nice. Oh, that's annoying. I don't know how to fix this either. We could try what 3.9 does and get rid of the pi build. Ugh. Well, you doubled up on that bet? That's crazy. He's in college and writes a lot. Nelly says, thanks for telling me about the FC command. Yeah, it's pretty good. It's pretty good. There's actually 2 videos about that now. Okay, let's restart the worker. And trigger some commits again. Oh, actually, we got to do that while the worker's not running. Let's do it while the worker's not running. We're going to make 2 commits here. One of them should fail because it got an additional push. This will be first commit. Should show up as queued here. Queued. Okay, cool. And then if we make another commit, now we should have 2 queued commits. And if we start the worker, the first one should get skipped. Second one should pass. If we look at the status for those, I received newer commits. And a success. Ooh, that's exactly what we want to see. Fail fast when PR has newer commits. Oh. We want a yes, no, no. All right. Only took 6 commits to get there. Most of them were refactory things, so. So the overall change is like moving everything around, adding status commit, and refactoring the test. But we'll look at each commit separately. But while it's running CI, I'm going to fill up my water. Well, I will be right back, and I will see you in a sec. Hello, I'm back. Tressoir, Warrior, and Monte JP, thank you all for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Let's see what happened to CI while I was gone. Okay, CI passed. We're gonna look at each of these commits separately just to make sure they all make sense on their own. Hey, what's up, Tofufu? Okay, so this is when we just moved the code. Yeah, the link is correct here. Cool. This was adding more tests. We also noticed that this code was unreachable. Okay, cool. It seems fine. This was a slight refactor. Yeah, to a if loop. Wings type, thank you for the resub at Prime at 15 at Prime with Prime at 15 months. Thank you for your continued support. It's good to see you again. Hopefully you're having a good Saturday / Sunday, depending on if you're a time traveler or not. Yeah, that PR looks, or that patch looks fine. This one we deleted tests that weren't needed. Yep. This we combined those two together. And then this is the actual feature. And that's mostly just reworking the test. And this is the that little bit there. Oh wait. This is in the wrong spot. This is supposed to be up here. Anton, I didn't know you streamed. Thank you for the raid. Welcome, raiders. How you doing? Let me give you a shout out so that my viewers can. Oh, that's not. It tab completed to my name. But welcome to the stream. My name is Anthony. I primarily work on open source Python, which you already know. Today we're working on pre-commit.ci and deadsnakes. I am trying to get LTO working again. I don't know if it ever worked, to be honest. But yeah, this patch is just wrong. So we need to make a test that invalidates the tests or the current implementation. I think actually just changing this test to not have mergeable true. This should fail, but right now it's not. Yeah, this is oh yeah, this is the weird JSON decoder we were saying. Yeah. But yeah, this check is entirely in the wrong spot. It should be right here. Yeah. And it passed our check, our test here, or our manual validation, because the mergeable check happened pretty instantly. Oh, actually, probably because I did it out of band. Yeah. Well, that's why we review our own code. There we go. Today I'm doing JTBV project. What does that mean? What is JTBV? I don't know what that is. So now we need to do this validation again. That. Make 2 commits here. One commit. End up with a queued. It's good. Then Make a second commit and start this. And we should get one that skips out, and then one that runs. Hello? What are you doing? Hello? That's weird. What do you mean nothing to do? But there's things in the queue. What? EDS, SQS. Hello? Alright, it's called run.fifo. Oh, there we go. Now it ran. I just took a little nap, I guess. That was weird. I don't know why I took a little nap there. Operator panel. Oh, Java, Telegram, Bobby. Oh, okay. I remember now. Yeah. I remember. Oh, I remember now. It's Saturday. It's feeling lazy today. Yeah. Hello to the pre-commit.ci runner, but silently. Yeah. Your worker's on strike. Yeah. It eventually got there though. Just Steven, thank you for the follow. Welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Okay, it got there in the end. I don't know what the delay was about. Probably because I'm fucking around with it and starting stopping it. Oh, you know what happened? Probably it picked up the old one here, and then was in a waiting pattern. Because SQS will requeue things if they fall out of their stuff. But that looks right. This looks right. I know it's right before, but just want to make sure it still looks correct. You can cancel out of that, and we will re-review the last commit. Now that it has changed. So this is in the right spot now. Good. Good. Very good. I probably didn't need to change as many tests as I did, but it's probably good that I changed them anyway. Oh. Yeah, we'll merge that. Then we'll let it deploy to the staging environment, and then we'll poke around in there once that's done. And I gotta figure out what the fuck's up with this. It is running the right thing. But everything is failing. Don't know which build this is supposed to be. It says build static. There might be more than one build static. Oh, I hate this. I don't understand this, but it's interesting. Yeah, I was saying, I don't really understand this either. Okay, this does have a separate directory. Very weird. That's too late on, so it's not that. Let's compare against the 3.9 one. See what's different there. This is different than this down here. So I could try doing that instead. And get rid of this here. I think I'm going to get rid of the PIE package anyway, because I don't think anyone actually cares about that. Let's do that. I suspect some of the stuff we deleted I can actually get rid of, like the well, maybe not. I thought there was something in here that I could get rid of. I guess not. Okay, let's just do this for now. Then no index diff again. Well, let's put this back and get rid of this and see what happens. Oh, just get rid of all of this. Yeah? And this is supposed to be BDB GDBM. BDB GDBM. BDB GDBM. Okay, there's also this stuff here. Okay, we get rid of pi everywhere. Like, I think we just delete all this. Hey, what's up, Jaholo? Hello, hello. Okay, the diff looks a little bit more reasonable now. Oh, interesting. They have detrace enabled here as well. Okay, we don't care about the docs. All right, we have another chance as to whether things succeed or not. I know what I would vote on this one. But bet your channel points away. We'll start that build. The Makefile for a C project? Yeah, it's for Python. For deadsnakes. I don't exactly know what I'm doing, but I am trying shit until it works. Slowly increasing or decreasing the amount of code until it is somewhat functional. Snipsy predicting no again. What did you predict? Akatas voted 5,200 for no. Jesus. Anything else was got our yes vote. 1K. A lot of people betting for no. 6-1 for yes right now. Big wins on yes. Hey, what's up, Akatas? Hello, hello. I can't bet with my 20K because betting is banned. Ah, that's a bummer. Yeah, you're in a country that doesn't allow it. Admittedly, I don't know that any of them should allow it. But alas, okay, it is running. So we're gonna let that run. This should be deploying to the staging environment. In theory. Exploits pre-commit, yeah, there isn't a video for it. Are you on Ubuntu 2004? I am, Ruthless V. I guess it's V Ruthless V, so it's probably just Ruthless. Yes, I am running 2004. As long as you can only get channel points without paying, I guess it's okay. Yeah. You still get the little badge in chat for what you voted for, so you can still win in spirit, so to speak. Oh, it's waiting for the deploy. These two describe instances. Grab public. Oh, we got both of them running. Is this the new one? I think so. Uptime 1 minute. Yeah, that would be it. Pulling down the image. It's waiting around. Yeah, I don't know why. I've set this health check interval to 0. But it still waits 90 seconds for it. It's a bug. It's a bug in AWS. And they're like, yeah, we're not gonna fix it. Rugs. Voting batch is new. What do you mean? Oh, the badge? No, the badge has been around for forever. What are you running on EC2? Pre-commit.ci. You start with channel points betting and then bet your life away. That's why. Yeah. Yeah, it's pre-commit.ci. Okay, it is still going. This isn't where it crashed though before. It is compiling with LTO. This line is taking forever. What is it doing? Oh, it's building libpython.a? Oh, it's building test embed and linking against this. Oh, so the link time optimization is like link LTO is going brr right now. How stable is pre-commit.ci in terms of uptime? Does it just work? Do you need to bug it once in a while? I occasionally get pages, but almost all of them are due to GitHub going down. So it basically has 100% uptime. If you subtract GitHub outages, but I have no control over GitHub being down. And if GitHub's down, like, who cares if your CI system that works for GitHub is down? But I know, okay, occasionally I make bugs and then I fix them. But I haven't had like an outage that's my fault in 2 years, year and a half. Not since like pre-commit.ci was like brand new and no one was using it. So it's fairly stable. Just use EC2 and no managed services. There's this great clip. Find the clip. It uses a bunch of services. It's mostly EC2, S3, and Dynamo. The clip is titled like not very complicated, but it's a bit fake. Can I not find it? I thought it was higher than this. But I basically made a diagram and connected all the dots together. This is the truck knots clip. Oops. Two ball hitches. Yeah, this guy cut me off while I was on my bike. On his truck nuts. Anyway, there's the truck nuts clip. But why have I not found the clip that I'm looking for? I wish there was a way to search clips. Kind of sucks that you can't. Oh, there it is. Wait, no, never mind. Anyway, you'll just have to trust me. It's like the meme where the guy has all the lines connected together, but it was me and maybe the clip got deleted. Maybe the user that had the clip deleted it. I don't know. You'll just have to take my word for it. But there's a significant number of services involved. But EC2 and S3 and Dynamo are the main ones. Recurled again, yeah. Giant Time Lord moved out. Nice. Season 5 is kind of fucked. You can add comments everywhere, so I have to be extra careful defining the CST spec. Yeah. Yeah, because you can also have inline comments. Or you can also have multi-line C-style comments, right? Okay. This, I believe, should only list one of our instances now. Nope, we still have both of them up. That's weird. This is taking way longer than it usually does. Waiting for a health check interval to pass. I don't know, Amazon does dumb things. Oh, it failed. Failed for the same reason. Well, then the prediction is no. But I'm running out of ideas to get LTO working. Hmm. Oh, it's only in decimal. Is it only in decimal? No, this is in C types. It's in all of them. Like, I think what's supposed to be happening is it's supposed to build the PGO binary without LTO. And then it's supposed to apply LTO later. But that doesn't appear to be what's happening right now. And there's not too much left to change here. Like, this doesn't come into play until later, so it's not that difference. This is just the docs. That's the change in the PTO, which change anything. Oh wow, they also do this. Interesting. Kind of rare of Ubuntu to bypass the Debian vendoring rules. Yeah, nothing else here is super different. This is different, but that's part of the control file. That doesn't matter at all. This is different, but it's later. Yeah, I don't understand why LTO works for them and not for me. Maybe it's the Debian compatibility version? I feel like that's not a thing, but try that. This is set to 11. This is set to 9. I don't think that's going to make a difference. I'm not even going to channel points back because I'm pretty sure this one's no. Gotta run. Thanks for stopping by, Kevin. Always good to see you. Yeah, we're gonna see what that does. I'm also curious if I just try and build the 3.9 from upstream, if that works, because maybe that doesn't work at all either. Git init and cd import dsc. Try that. So I might be like chasing ghosts here. Jim Simmons has airdrop. What? Realize I can write a visitor that takes the CST to generate JSON? Yeah, exactly. Why is carpet called carpet? Yeah, because the floof of the plushie acts like brand new carpet. Heck, you followed me on GitHub. Interesting. Interesting. What are you gonna get out of my GitHub? Okay, this finally succeeded, so it should have told me that it deployed to dev. Then I can validate it up here, just to make sure things are still working. Should do 2 commits. Failed and pushed. Cool. Then we should have a success. Okay, that looks good. Boy prod, please. Why did this import on Ubuntu Bionic? Oh, because branch name Ubuntu Bionic. I wonder if this is gonna build. Yeah, what was your bonk for? Conflicts with get. What? Build conflicts get. Weird. So just me, or has this gotten further? Oh wait, these are all erroring? Yeah, so it has not gotten further. I don't know what's going on with that. Kind of annoying. Very annoying. Not just kind of annoying, it's very annoying. Okay. But we can check this off. This one seems interesting. Put the account ID in the PS1 on runner instances. It would basically just put something in the bash RC that like says whether it's prod or not. That build. EC2 metadata, get account name. Oh, we searched this before. You can get the account number. Then you need the AWS CLI. Probably hit the right endpoint. Oh. $169, nice. That gets us the account ID. Said, Jesus. I mean, we can probably use this. Import photo3. Photo3.client sts.getColorIdentity. Like, oh, I'll alternate the quotes types, and then I double alternated both of them. How do I get the account name? What the fuck? EC2 metadata. List account aliases. Oh. Setting the query parameter to account. I don't think that's what I want. I had to test my tools with PyTest subprocess. It works a lot like Sentry's responses libraries. It's easier than that. Oh, neat. Figuring out what test to run and where to put parameterization was a bit fiddly though. I'm not convinced I got it totally right. I mean, well, if it works, right? Liperez says, hey, do you think not using code completion makes you write simpler, better, easier to remember code? No. James Smith says, I have a question. Yeah, that's what chat's for. I'm writing an assertions library. I want to emit a warning when an instance of my assertion class was created, but no assertion methods were called. If used as a context manager, it applies soft assertions. So what's the best way to do that? Right now, I'm just warnings.warn inside double under exit and del. Better way. That seems fine. Yeah, I would just do that. Make sure that you set the stack level properly, otherwise your warnings will be not useful. But yeah, that's how I would do it. Sorcerer, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Is there really like not a straightforward way to get the account name? Like, this seems crazy to me. Could bake it into the instance. Maybe that would be easier. Oh wait, no, I used the same AMI for both, of course. Winshane and /fork, thank you both for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Yeah, like that is the account ID. I swear I do this in code, right? Account info. Nope, we just get an ID. Weird. Very weird. I'm overanalyzing the editor/ID relationship to the resulting code. Yeah, just write code, man. Whatever works well for you, use it. I use a shitty editor that works fine for me. I understand the tab completion's nice too. Sometimes your tab completion does the wrong thing, but not a big deal. Liquid Richard, listen here. What are you making? You can do bang today to learn what I'm working on. Nolan the Nerd, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Alright, but yeah, this is gonna fail. I don't know why. Oh, did this fail is the question though. It seems like it's doing stuff. Why does this one work and mine doesn't? I don't understand. Ah. Maybe there's a patch. Maybe I'm missing a patch. I'm probably missing a patch. Sometimes for me it does it very often. Oh, it creates garbage code. Yeah. Yeah. There must be a different patch then. So what I can do is import the 310 and then compare the patch key. So we can do that. Wait, this did nothing. I'm gonna do this. And then we're going to make another. Chance dies. Hello, hello, welcome back. This says the most annoying thing for me is auto imports. For instance, VS Code auto imports union from C types instead of typing. That sucks. Does name tuple let you use dot notation? Yeah. Yep. I explain kind of how it works in right. Oh. Huh. Quite surprising when I have 5 other videos and it happened to pick the one that I was thinking of. But that one goes over what's going on there. Is this a game? No. I think to each their own, but I think game dev is kind of boring to watch. And I mean, I have written a game, not a very interesting game. PyCharm import suggestion at least lets you disambiguate if there's multiple matches for the same symbol. Interesting. Any recommendations for libraries when it comes to writing a chatbot for a business site? I would just pay a third party. I would just pay a third party. Let's see. Why are you not coloring? The whole point was to color it. Oh, because I piped it to less like a dummy. Okay. We got different here. Oh, can we exclude? We can do this. Luna Misfit, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Plasmorbs, good to see you again. And thanks for the congratulations. Appreciate it. My chat pops up in stream? Yeah. This is a chatbot. It's the stream's chat. Making software dev in general being interesting to watch is a huge feat. I mean, yeah, I think so. But I answer a whole bunch of questions in chat and stuff, so I don't know. I try and make it at least engaging in that realm. Ty and Autry, thank you both for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Jerome is here. Hello, hello. Is it a crypto mining program? No. Crypto is a planet burning scam. Okay. So these are all of the differences now. Thanks, blah blah blah. E-thread. Can't see how that's possibly relevant. Sure. Distutil stuff. Don't think that matters. What's the name of the cat? Noodle! Mr. Noodle, yes. Okay, I'm pretty sure none of this is the problem. I hope none of this is the problem. Seems the same, that's not different. That's the sysconfig stuff. We don't even get to sysconfig. It fails in building way before that. If this compiler is 4.0 through 8, I think we have a newer compiler than that, so I don't think that matters. Fstack protector strong. This is also in distutils, so it's still too late. This is interesting. Test. Sure pip. It's in a different place. Shion says I love Flake 8. Thanks for that. Awesome. Well, I'm glad you appreciate the work I do there. Feed Mr. Noodle a treat? Well, Noodle's a pressure. I don't think Noodle can get food. How much do you work / code at work per day? Well, I don't have a job right now, but I start my new job on Monday. So I'll let you know. Dare you insult my NFTs? I just spent $69 billion in BTC for an ugly ape. Music Gusto says Seattle just opened an NFT museum. Oh, so cringe. Okay, test. Okay, this stuff is different. Is it though? No, those are the same. This is different. But not in a meaningful way. This line is different. I don't think that matters. Oh god, why is this file different? Anything Joes! Thank you for the raid. Welcome, welcome. How you doing, raiders? What were you working on today? My name is Anthony. I primarily work on Python open source stuff. We are trying to figure out what is broken with a deadsnakes build. This patch seems like it might be it. I don't know why this is different. Seems strange to me. We've raided before. I know. Welcome, welcome. How was your stream? What were you working on? Rask, how's it going? Fina is live. Hello, hello. So you are doing a game. No, I'm not doing a game. I already told you that explicitly. I don't know why why you would think I'd be doing a game. Why is this file different? Weird. This seems like a risky patch to add, though. What reproducible builds? Sets and frozen sets need to have their elements serialized in a consistent ordering. Oh. That doesn't seem like a good patch to grab. Why would it build against the FreeBSD kernel? Seems weird. Okay, the patch to this Malik seems maybe possible. Said deadsnakes, that's a game, bro. No, it's not. Doesn't look like a game to me. These are all the thing that I'm working on. What the fuck? Dead snakes can drain resources and distract you from the most important work your team should be doing. What the fuck? If this is not a game, blockchain, or AI, what else could it be? We're getting timers. Oh, cool. Which seems boring, but essential to the 2600. Oh. Oh, to your emulator. Yeah. Oh, yes, I remember. I remember now. Means a gusto. What's the knob? You're feeding the troll. Looking up information about the game. Dude, chill, dude. You're starting to get on my nerves, Liquid Richard. I don't want to have to time you out, but you gotta tone it down a little bit, okay? Have to run. Have a great stream. Well, thank you for the rain. Have a good one. Appreciate you stopping by as always. Okay, let's see what this patch is about. Oh, IA64. Who cares? Yeah, it's definitely not it. Why does it work then? Why is it working? I don't understand. Is this build static or... This is build static. I don't know which one this is though. This is build static. Does it have LTO? It does. Why does this one work? But mine does not. Oh, I don't understand. I don't understand at all. Hey, what's up, James Boyne? Hello, hello. Alright, I gave you your warning, Liquid Richard. Yeah, I don't understand what's different. Saturn Gabe, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Oh. Let's put this in. And let's change this to be this. Makes it more similar to what I have. This is way too relatable. So many hours in this exact mindset. Yeah. This code on the server. I don't know what you mean. Yes? No? It's on a machine. Any machine can be a server. Do you mean is it on GitHub? Yes, it's on GitHub. I think I linked to it here. No. On here. Or here. Depending on which code you're referring to. Yeah, I guess we'll let that run. Oh, I could try the actual 310 build. We haven't done that yet. Hey, what's up, Godwell? How you doing? My example. Welcome, welcome. Keyboard looks pretty nice. Yeah, if you want to learn more about it, here's info on it. Okay, so what happens if I... Nine 91934. How do we find that bug? I feel like that's what I need to understand here. Nine 91934. This has nothing to do with it. I wonder if they're listed in 3.9 rather than 3.10, maybe? This person is just wrong? This person has reported this to the wrong spot. Yeah, I don't know where that comes from. Maybe we can find it from the Git history? I would be so surprised if this succeeds, though. Someone needs to watch your video about is versus equals equals. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I have one. Is the chatbot looking at keywords, or is it just use one of those fancy language models? Just, I mean, it's using advanced AI. What motivates you to keep maintaining dead snakes? Because I use it. Team soul draining? Yeah, it is a little bit. But I use the outputs, so I'm interested in using the outputs. Oh, this is the 3.9 build. Got distracted. Yeah. John MV1 knows what's up. What mad here? Unable to install. But why? Doesn't tell me why. Must be a conflict of some sort. NLP with CLM and machine intelligence? I don't know what that even means. You okay, Podman? What is the command that it runs here? Depends on libmp deck. Hmm. Really? Oh, I guess this just includes all of them. I know I shouldn't be changing so much at the same time, but it'll be faster. Try that now. Jackie Alcine, welcome back. Hello, hello. Okay, cool. Is progressing now. This is 3.9. We know it's working, so I'm just going to Control-C this. Save us some CPU. And we will let this continue to run. I suspect this will fail. If it doesn't, I will be very surprised. If it doesn't fail, I could start with this package and then reapply all my patches to it. But Prince Yugi says, my only goal in life is to be as consistent as Anthony's GitHub contribution graph. I wish I was this consistent and less flaky too, right? But Chris is gonna head out and get some of that outdoor vitamin D. Sounds good. Sounds good. Thank you for stopping by. Oh no. Liquid Richer is back. Outdoors, what is that? So funny story about this. So you guys know the phrase touch grass, right? Just like go outside. I had heard this phrase many times, but no one really explained it to me. And for the longest time, I thought that touch grass and touch carpet were the same thing. Yeah, so boy was I in for a surprise when somebody actually explained it to me. Dolce de Leche, thank you for the follow. Welcome. What is touch carpet? I'm not gonna explain it to you, Mortex. I'm gonna let you use the Google to figure that one out. This is why they say touch some grass. Yes. Yes, those two actually, I mean, it makes sense when you think about it, but carpet on my floors? I mean, I kind of do too. Why don't you like me? It's not that I don't like you, it's that you're being annoying. Be a normal chatter like everyone else. Please. Okay, this part is slow. That's normal. And these flags look the same as what we saw before. It has the no pi. Oh, this is different. No pi link specs. Is that what we were saying before? I close the tab. I close the tab. No. We'll see. Tried Googling touching carpet and nothing useful comes up. Mila says I have no idea what those phrases mean. Wait, there's no, it's not on Urban Dictionary? I'm sure if you search carpet on Urban Dictionary, it'll come up though. Lava Lamb, hello, welcome. I don't know what happened here. Maybe Liquid is the only normal one and we're all crazy? Yeah, perhaps. This is a trap. Hey, what's up, Forrest? Hello. What is this doing? Did me talk it out? No. This is not a democracy. This is very much a dictatorship. My mother says that's the best way to work things out. Well, maybe just like stop being annoying. Like that's kind of the best way to interact. Just say normal stuff. Jackie Alcine, yeah, see, you knew what I meant. You knew precisely what I was talking about. What the fuck is this doing? LTO 1 LT. Oh, but it's such short-lived that I can't even see it. It's the link time optimizer is running right now. Say normal stuff like trespasses and squirrels. Mr. Yon says, this is getting you ready to have kids? I mean, I think my kids would be better behaved than Liquid Richard. Why is this working? I don't understand. I don't understand why it's working and my shit does not. Frustrating. Well, I mean, I could start over the package from scratch and then slowly take things away. That's fucking wild. Yeah, it's not that ANSI strips them, it's that those characters aren't allowed in the IRC protocol, so yeah. Hey, what's up, JDMSY? Oh, you're already here. Any nice way to only run a tox phase if on GitHub Actions and not locally? Yeah, so there's the toxenv environment variable. Is this a VM or you're just not a fan of customizing their theming? It is both a VM and it is themed. Just subtly. Have any thought of IRC's limitations? Yeah. Are you gonna build prenuptial for running premarital hooks on contracts? Yeah, that would be pretty funny. Okay, so we know this is working, so it is some difference between the two that's causing this. So my guess would be somehow the distutils changes, but I don't understand how those are different. What are we building again? Still dead snakes. I still don't know why. It's not working. This one is working, but mine is not. And the differences between the two, I don't know what they are. It should just be the patches now. I think I have all the same patches. We looked at all of the code differences. Well, the other thing that I could do is I could transform this build into my builds and then copy over the Debian directory and then see what breaks or doesn't break. But this is all working fine with LTO enabled, which is so frustrating. It's so annoying that this is working. So I'm gonna try and do that, I guess, because this got way further than mine did. So I know it's. Okay, so this is supposed to be. Supposed to be a 9. It's supposed to be this because it changes in full. And we get rid of MP deck. There's even one for tofu, oh no. Do not scroll down there. Yeah, I'm not even gonna click on the one. There's no way that's gonna be safe for stream. I don't even know. We're not gonna do it. Definitely not gonna get a change log. Ignore that. The incompat version is different. The set of dependencies is different, but I don't think either of those, I don't think any of those matter. Unless this is something. This is the dtrace stuff. I probably do actually want that, but I don't think it's different. Okay, symbols files. We don't ship those. We don't care about those. We have a different OpenSL conf, but that doesn't matter. This patch is different, but we didn't care about that. Comments. This is the install scheme stuff, which is different, but I don't think it matters about LTO in here. Fix me, not sure why. Love that. I guess I could try pulling in these other patches that I don't have and see if somehow this makes a difference, but I really can't imagine this making a difference. Seems completely unrelated. Headers stuff wouldn't change things. Hey, what's up, Farrell? You were here yesterday. You already asked this question. But welcome back. What keyboard are you using? Kappa. Yeah, that one also works too. Tests, we don't care about the test differences. This is where I feel like this change is different. This is different. That possibly what it is? That might be it. Docs garbage, we don't care about. I'm gonna try and add that patch. Be wild if it is though. Oh wait, Green is their side. Green is their side. Try that patch. I really doubt that that's what it is. But it's like the last thing to try. Okay, let's... Okay, so it's in distutil sysconfig, and the patch name is distutil sysconfig. Oh, it's here. This line is changed to this. Yeah. Go to Game TV. How you doing? Been a while. Good to see you again. Started using pre-commit hooks in my projects. Very useful. Awesome. I'm glad you enjoy them. Oh my god. Now you're evading bans? Goodbye. Um, ./fork says my last employer introduced me to pre-commit. Pretty cool. Awesome. Awesome. Where did you work, if you don't mind me asking? Is this gonna build? Pre-commit plus Nix equals magic? Oh, the Nix stuff is really sketchy. The Nix stuff is really sketchy. But if it works, it works. Wait, there were bots too? Oh, those users? They DM'd you? That's annoying. Sketchy is not the word I had in mind. They do some terrible things to make pre-commit and Nix work nicely together. They have their own like weird fork of pre-commit that does all this like weird shell hackery. If it works, it works. They DM'd you as well? What the fuck? That's so shitty. I'm sorry you guys had to deal with that user. I should have banned them sooner. But yeah, report them. Report them for ban evasion, report them for harassment, like whatever you want to do. But if it works, it works. Yeah. If it works, I don't have to maintain it. There we go. Started using pre-commit now after giving up with MyPy, and I'm happy now. Just weird that local hooks, just how weird local hooks are sometimes. Yeah. I don't know why MyPy causes your computer to to shit the bed. That always seems really wild. Hey, what's up, Crow? Hello. Missed out on big drama. No, it's just a user that was being really annoying, and when I banned them, they started DMing everyone in the chat for some reason. But yeah, I don't know why, but Hopefully, lurking has its benefits. Yeah. Okay, so we're gonna let this build. While it's building, I can probably work on something else. Although we're about at 4 hours, and I'm gonna do another stream today. Which those of you that are here, I guess I can re-announce while I'm working on this. I'm not ending right now, but re-announce anyway. That prod, good. Later today at 7 Pacific, 10 Eastern, I'm going to be playing It Takes Two with Citrusine. I'm going to be wearing a onesie, so if you want another onesie stream, it will be there. Can I get that in UTC? 7 Pacific, 7 p.m. Pacific in the UTC. 2 a.m. UTC, so bright and early in the morning. But I've never played this game. I'm looking forward to it. I've heard it's really good. But yeah, we're gonna do a collaboration stream, which should be pretty fun. Is Citrus also a programmer? She's not. But maybe one day. Can I get that in how many hours from now? It will be 6 hours from now. Like a Borat onesie? No, it'll be a shiny Umbreon onesie. The one onesie that I have. But yeah, should be fun. And it's so late. Yeah, I know it's late for me too. But it'll be fine. Gary says it's good. Yeah, I've heard it's good. VOD it is then. Yeah, it'll have to be VODs for some of you. Have you done any ML on your VM? No, I don't do machine learning at all. Oh my god, is it fucking working? No, we haven't gotten to the part where it fails yet. This is still where it takes forever running the linker. Why did you say non-programmer? What do you mean? What? It can be very annoying. Oh. Playing with CUDA? Yeah. Not you, them. Wait. Who said non-programmer? Oh, why is Citrus not a programmer? She does other stuff? I don't know. I don't have a good answer for that. Okay, it's starting to do that part. See if we get to the PGO parts. You said non-gamer. Yeah. Citrus is safe. She doesn't know the pain that we're going through right now. Okay, I want to do this, but I need to figure out how to get the account name. Yes, get current account name. Yeah, that gets the account number. I want the account name. Describe account? Are you fucking kidding me? Oh. That was it. That one fucking line was it, apparently, chat. Because now it's working. I'm mad, but I'm happy. I'm mad because... I don't know why I'm mad. I'm happy because it's working. I'm mad because I spent so much time on this. Does Babby have LSP? No. If only I had fixed that first. Yeah. I know, right? The number of times this happens to me while working with Clojure. Yeah, well, this is just like a stupid fiddly patch. And I don't know why it's different. It really shouldn't be. Like, this should just be an upstream. Like, I don't know why upstream doesn't do this. But It's fucking annoying, but on the bright side, it looks like it's you know, working-ish now. So we're gonna let this build, and then I'm gonna rebase all the patches, and hopefully things working. Unless I turned off LTO. Is it possible that we're not actually? No, it appears to be on. Appears to be on. So that's cool, I guess. But we have a bunch of changes for like no reasons now. But on the bright side, it appears to be working. So that's good. Spent 8 hours debugging undefined behavior once? Oh no. The fact that I didn't know what LTO was, but my brain auto-completed it because I read too much LLVM docs. Oh yeah. LTO is link time optimization, which basically allows the compiler to do magic while stitching the binary together. Okay. We want to do it on the host. Okay, so we can already do go to 3.clients sts.getColor identity account double quotes. This can get us the account, and then we need to describe account. I feel like this is not going to help. Organizations client. I don't think this is going to work. Expected stir. Access denied. Yeah, that makes sense. Radius organizations not in use. Okay, so that's not helpful. There's gotta be a simpler way to do this, right? Hey, what's up, Lynch? Lola. Is the right side pseudocode here? This is just a markdown file. This is just notes for me. Things that I want to do that I haven't done yet. Crazy that that's working. I want alias. Alias, I am list account aliases, maybe? But there's probably can't do that from here, right? IAM dot list account aliases. Access denied. Cannot perform list account aliases. Makes sense. Okay, so it's easy to get the account ID. It's not easy to get the name of something. Let's see if there's some other resource that I can use that tells me that. Runner. What do we have here? We have the account ID. We know that already. Auto scaling state. We can get secrets. They want to query secrets in Bash. And access a key value store, and we can get our queue. 12-hour stream? No, we're not doing a 12-hour stream, which I guess means I should probably wrap up and with well-timed rates we can stretch up to 24 hours. Yeah, that's that's not a good idea. You're right, but yeah, I will be back 10 Eastern, so in like 6-ish hours. But I'm just gonna let this build, and then we'll work more on that on Monday, I guess, after my first day at work, which will be fun. Let's see, where was the thing? Easy to do account ID, difficult to do account name. But yeah, I think we're gonna wrap up there. I need to take a break. I need to chill out. I have a new job. Yes, I'm gonna be working at Sentry. I start on Monday. I'm going to be a staff software engineer building out a developer productivity organization. I'm going to be streaming on Monday. Yes, I will be streaming Monday evening. I'm kind of back to our normal schedule. I'm not going to be streaming during the day until I at least figure that out. But I might also be streaming late on Monday, and I might have to cancel because my onboarding is in Pacific time. So it yeah, we'll see. We'll play that one by ear. So no promises on whether Monday stream happens or not, but hopefully it does. What time is it in your country? What do you mean? Oh, I mean, yeah, it translates differently to other people, but if you look at the calendar, this should hopefully adjust it to the normal times. But this is usually when I stream on Mondays. But don't know whether that's actually gonna happen. Oh, I guess I could put the other stream on here as well. Let's see. Change the calendar to this one. There we go. Now you can know when this other stream is gonna happen. Although I put the time wrong. There we go. But yeah, let me do my little, well, I guess we'll do announcements first. Later today, we're doing a collaboration stream with Citrus. We're gonna be playing It Takes Two. So stop by for that. I will be wearing my shiny Umbreon onesie. So if you're excited about onesie stream, that'll be happening. And if you miss it, you can always check the VODs. My name is Anthony. I upload educational content to YouTube 3 times a week at youtube.com/anthonywritescode. So subscribe there if that interests you. I also have a second channel where I upload my stream VODs. So if you missed any part of the stream and you want to check those out, you can subscribe to the second channel. I normally stream Monday evenings and Saturday at noon. I announce my streams in 2 places. One of those is twitter.com/codewithanthony, where I say what I'm going to do, and then we work on it. We did actually work on both of these things today, surprisingly. I also announced on the Discord, which you are free to join and come hang out with us. There's a beginners channel if you want to ask questions. And then there's a whole bunch of other fun social channels as well. So you can stop by and check that out. Yes, Sentry will be remote. I will be remote. Some of Sentry works at offices, but I will be remote. But yeah, that wraps us up. Let's go find someone to raid.